Alright, so today Sunday, I have some home style chicken. That's it. Basically fry it and cook them. That's what we call home style. Alright, so I have the final setting of the pot right now. Ready for take out. Just flip them. And then I take them up. Alright, them the soon can come out. Because we not going to fully fry them, because you don't know, say, I'm going to go back in the pot or cook them. Same way. Alright, rice and peas are almost ready. Peas, coconut milk, 1 piece of butter and thing. So today a basmati rice may I use. Nice and shelly, fluffy, long grain. So you have the basmati rice. Normally a jasmine I normally use still, but I use basmati this Sunday. Alright, chicken, take them out. Although say we not fully cook them. So I don't know them how cook them again. I fished over there, so somebody when I want to meet today. You see it? So. See them now? Oh, them pretty. Alright, see rice there. Wow. Look on the rice and peas. You can see every single grain in it. Look all the rice and peas pretty, man. Yeah, man, you can, if you never try the basmati rice yet, you can try it out. It kind of look more expensive still, but more expensive than the regular one. So, I don't know if you can afford it, but if you never try it out, you can try it. You see me? Yeah, man, that's how we do it every Sunday. Homestyle. What is under my nose? I'm out.
I think I found it. I literally